In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a code in Squarespace. If you want to add custom content like a widget, form, map, or another external element to your site, Squarespace makes that process very straightforward. You only need to place an embed block in the right section of your page and then paste in the code you want to use. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Squarespace website and go into the page you want to edit. Once you're there, click Website and then click Edit. This will put the page into editing mode so you can make changes directly on the layout. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward, especially if your site has multiple sections or pages that look similar. Next, click on the section where you want the embedded code to appear. This is important because the code will display wherever you place the block, so choose the area carefully based on how you want the final page to look. After selecting the section, click Add Block. This opens the block menu where Squarespace gives you different content options you can insert into that part of the page. From the available block options, find the Embed block. Once you see it, drag and drop the embed block into place within your selected section. Try to position it exactly where you want the content to appear. If needed, you can adjust placement slightly so it fits better with the rest of your layout and keeps the page looking clean and organized. After the embed block is in place, double-click on it to open the configuration settings. This is where you'll connect your external content to the page. In the field provided, paste your code. Make sure the code is copied completely and correctly, because even a small missing character can prevent the embedded content from working as expected. If the source of the code provides any specific formatting or setup instructions, it's always a good idea to follow those before saving, and that's all. Once your code is pasted into the embed block, your Squarespace page is set up to display that embedded content. Before finishing, it's a smart idea to preview the page and confirm that everything loads properly and appears the way you want. This quick check can help you catch spacing or display issues before publishing your changes.